Since its inception, Pratt Institute has been a college for all. Diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives continue to be prevalent within the community today. The Pratt Library was the first public library in Brooklyn, New York. Additionally, the cost of attendance at Pratt was much more affordable and stayed that way for some time to be able to accommodate all those interested in attending the college regardless of financial status. However, despite our efforts to view our campus through a community lens, there is one physical boundary that sets us apart from the rest of Brooklyn. A study done in 1943 examines the fence at Pratt and is archived within the Pratt Library. Since then, not much has changed as the fence still stands, dividing our campus community with the rest of Brooklyn. The irony in this image, a welcome sign on a fence dividing a space and preventing you from getting in. Ron Shiffman is a city planner with over 50 years of experience providing architectural, planning, community, economic development, and sustainable development assistance to community-based groups in low and moderate-income neighborhoods. In 1964, Ron co-founded the Pratt Institute Center for Community and Environmental Development, which is today the oldest continuously operating university-based community design and development center in the United States. According to Shiffman, the rise of student activism on campus began in the early 1960s. There was much unrest on campus for several years thereafter, from an interventionist president blaming faculty and activists for bringing radicalism on campus to office meetings with the Young Lords and Black Panthers. Urban planning started to shift, according to Shiffman. Quote, "When you want to create an urban environment to make sure it is more democratic and accountable to the people that are there, we have to develop a new means for participation. And so we developed a whole philosophy around urban planning and architecture about participatory processes, as opposed to just working with the head of the church group, but working with the laity in the church, not only working with elected officials, but working with the people at the base and communities.